Good day everyone, I've got this wire-free camera here for an unboxing and review. Here's some of the features. It says it's weatherproof, long standby time, two-way audio, wide viewing angle, app control, voice control, night vision, AI detector, and there is no monthly fee. Comes with the cam, the wall mount, and the cable it looks like. And it comes with a quick start guide too, so we'll just be following along using this. And let's get the accessories and camera out. Here's a look at the camera. It's got the speaker in the back, and this is where the mount goes. This is the mount here. It comes with the charging. It's got the Type-C connector and USB charger. This is for mounting it in the wall. And these things if you want to put it in the drywall. Here's the adjustable wall mount, which screws right back in there. And then down here, this thing pops open, and you can get, this is where you put your SD card, put your micro SD card, and this is the on and off too. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. Yep. Pop that back on there. If we want to charge it, we just take that off. So for the components here, so it lists what each thing is. So we got the lens there, the light sensor is there, and this is the motion sensor, and the microphone. Microphone's down here, and the status LED, as you can see, is on, and infrared LED. One important thing to note here, so we're gonna download the app, but you want to make sure your smartphone's connected to the wireless router. You have to use the 2.4 gigahertz channel. It won't work on 5G. So let's go ahead and download the Arpha, ARPHA app. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and mount this camera mounting bracket out there. And you also get motion detection alerts on your phone. Like even while I'm doing this, I've got motion detection on the phone, which you can turn off on the app as well. But it has all the functions to function with this thing on the app. But yeah, so we just go ahead and drive 3 screws in there, and then this piece right here, this just screws right into the back of that, like that. You see that constant green light that's on? That means you're connected, you got good connection, and you're good to go.